Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Uwais Ahmad is here to give presentation on research paper. Basically, it is the customer attitude towards the mobile messaging technology in promoting CRM. And what is the CRM? The customer relationship management. In this presentation, we have to discuss the further topics. Firstly, the introduction of this presentation, what is the objective, what is the hypothesis of this presentation, the research methodology, the result, and the discussion. And in the end, we have to give the conclusion of this presentation. Now, we have the objective of this presentation. The first thing that came in our mind, it is to analyze the attitude of the customer or the respondent towards the promotional mobile messaging. That's the main objective of this presentation. We have to analyze the attitude, we have to analyze the behavior of the customer towards the mobile messaging that we have received from the further companies, further brand companies, etc., etc. And we have to study the usage pattern of the mobile messaging. Now we have discussed the hypothesis of this presentation. Firstly, there is no association between the mobile messaging and the customer relationship management. And on the perhaps side, there is an association between mobile messaging and the customer relationship management. Now we have to relate these two topic, the hypothesis 1 and the hypothesis 2. And the hypothesis 2 is the respondent opinion regarding preferred services for the receiving mobile messages are uniformly distributed. And on the other side, the respondent opinion regarding preferred services for receiving mobile messages are not uniformly distributed. Basically, the main objective it is to analyze or to identify the preferable sector in which the respondent would like to avail interactive mobile messaging. On the other hand, we have to receive further messages from the brand companies, from the for the advertisement. We have to receive the messages. Sometimes we have to iterate from these messages, these kind of messages. So we have sometimes we have to ignore it. Sometimes we have to give reply on these messages. So we have to analyze. Basically, we have to analyze the criteria of this presentation. Now my friend Mohammad Tosib is here to give the presentation on the remaining topic. Now here it is.
My name is Mohammad Tausif. From here, I will continue. Here we stored 100 respondents' data. Here is the result of their responses. For category of promotional message, here is the 96% yes and 4% no. And for unsolicited message, here is the 79 is ignore percent and 21% is to block SMS. And with their prior permission, here is the 94% yes and 6% no. Here is the some sector where mobile messaging is beneficial, like banking. Here is the percentage of 96%, after insurance 92%, and telecom and travel and lodging and healthcare, media and entertainment, and others. Here is the percentage of benefit of mobile messaging. Here is the customer or variable is 21%, 22, approximate 22% is chi square value, and 0.00% is p value. Less p value is the more profitable for our product. After this, we will talk on conclusion. uh, Mobile messaging is the very good for our business, because it helps brand promotion and attract new customer, and promote customer satisfaction as well as customer loyalty, and builds better CRM. If we want to attract our customer, then it is the good.